Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I have this dual bay SATA hard drive plus USB 3.0. These are trayless drive bays, perfect for diagnosing hard drives in your primary PC, where you can just slide a hard drive in, do a little repair, clean it with a virus, from a virus rather. 2.5 and 3.5 inch hard drives. This is something I am a firm believer of. This is my second one. I have it in my primary machine. This has two USB 3.0 ports, and it's just amazing. Let's do a quick unboxing of it and show you. Check this bad boy out. It has USB 3.0 connector cable, okay? And it's a trayless design. I'll have close-up pictures of this. It has one primary SATA power and then two SATA connections, one for the 2.5 inch drive bay and one for the 3.5 inch drive bay. Simple as that. And it has an on-off switch. So these things don't have to be on all the time, so you can power it off, slide in the hard drive, power it up, have Windows 10 detect or even 7 detect it, and you're good to go. And that is it. It is super simple. This is one of my favorite products from Syba USA. It's just very practical. It comes with two SATA cables and a Molex to SATA converter if you don't have any SATA ports on your power supply and only Molex. So it comes with that. It's just a fantastic product. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this baby, and as simple as that. No, it's trayless. Slide the hard drive in and you're good to go. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.